How to change your limit on Cash App. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can change your limit on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to change your limit on Cash App, all you have to do is simply open up Cash App first. So to view first of all our current limit, when you open up Cash App and tap the profile icon from the top right, then you simply go to the limits option here. Here you'll be able to see all of the limits that you have on Cash App right now. So to actually change our limit, we need to verify our account, and to verify our account, come to the home page and just try to tap on the add cash option. So when you try to add some amount of cash, Cash App will prompt you to verify your account to continue using Cash App. So now you can tap on continue, enter your legal name, your last name, and verify the documents, and once you've done that, your Cash App will get verified. As a result, the limit will also get lifted. This way you'll be able to change your limit on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.